I personally prefer organic skincare lines. Those products are not only safe, but they're very effective. Therefore, we have chosen to use the Serum Organic Natural Cream Anti-Melasma. It's very effective. After only 1 week, my dark spots begin to fade. My skin becomes softer and smoother. So I kept using the product Natural Cream Serum Anti-Melasma. After 1 month, my dark spots disappear. I also feel the wrinkles in my skin clearly faded. I feel like I'm 20 years old again. It's amazing. Thank you, Natural Cream Anti-Melasma.